Kabir says also this. ए जी हाँ कहूँ तो है नहीं और ना भी कहो नहीं जाए, हाँ और ना के बीच में मेरा सतगुरु राह समा. If I say yes, it's not correct, but I also cannot say no. Between yes and no, between right and wrong, between left and right, between all these divisions that we create for ourselves, there lies a subtle reality. And my guru, my truth, my real love is also there. So let me share a song with you from Kabir, in which he talks about going beyond this duality that we are constantly getting trapped in. So in this song, Kabir says, Haman hai ishq mastana, Haman ko hoshiari kya. I'm drunk on love. Now what have I got to do with being clever, being smart, being cool, being powerful, being all these things which make us do things to other people? Rahe azad ya jag se, Haman duniya se yari kya. I'm free in this world. What does it mean to be free? And now what have I got to do with all these calculated interests and relationships and actions? He's gone beyond calculations, all these petty calculations. जो बिछड़े हैं प्यारे से भटकते दर बदर फिरते, हमारा यार है हम में, हमन को इंतजारी क्या. Those who are separated from the beloved, from that dimension, they wander from place to place looking for answers. Today you hear this and you believe this. Tomorrow someone says that and you believe that. And the mind is always going here and there. But he has gone beyond this and he says, my beloved, my truth is always with me, in me. So I'm not waiting for anyone or anything. Then he says, Na pal bichhde piya humse, na hum bichhde pyare se. Not for a moment are we separate from each other. How is this possible? It's because this truth is within us. So there is no separation. When we connect with that truth within us, then you are always connected. Haman ko bekarari kya. Now there is no more restlessness. I understand. In the end he says, Kabira ishq ka mata dui ko dur kar dil se. Kabir got drunk on love. But how did he get drunk on love? Dui ko dur kar dil se. By removing the feeling of duality, the thought of duality from his heart. What is this duality that we are constantly living with? Victory and defeat, success and failure, rich and poor, high and low, Hindu and Muslim, upper and lower, male and female. All these dualities, we are constantly in these dualities. This is the relative level. So we have to inhabit this level too. This is also truth, but there is also another truth. And when we access both, then you can taste that dimension of love. जो चलना राह नाजुक है, हमन सिर बोझ भारी गया. It's a very delicate path. The subtle path of love is very delicate. So when we get into a lot of anger, when we get into a lot of division, when we get into a lot of whatever we need to do outside is separate. But what is my state inside? That is a separate thing. So I have to take care of my state within myself. And when I take care of the state within myself, even the hard actions I need to take outside change in quality.